Hi guys, I am Muchekwa and I am back again with Maths XYZ, and today I will be taking you on how to construct a histogram in data handling. How to construct histogram. A histogram is a graphical representation of a grouped data of which when we construct a histogram, the first thing that you must know that it's a representation of a grouped data, and a histogram is similar to a bar graph, but they are used to represent a continuous data. Those are histogram. The difference between histogram and bar graph is that histogram are used to represent a continuous data. And another thing, there are no gaps between the bars. Another thing that you must also take into consideration when you are constructing a histogram is that the bars must be of the same width. That means you are not allowed to draw a bar of this size and then the next one becomes like this. This is not allowed. They must all have the same width when you are drawing the histogram. The bars must be the same width. Now let's just look at an example of a question on how to draw so that we can apply this in drawing a histogram. Remember, histogram is used to represent a group data, and between the bars there are no gaps, and also the bar must be of the same width. These are just the rules on constructing the histogram. All right. Again, suppose we, in class of the grade 12 learners, they were asked to measure the length of the leaves that they were working with in the biology class. Then they found out between 20 and 40, these are the length of the leaves that they are measuring, and they found out that the length is which are greater than length which are greater than 20 and also less or equals to 40, they were 6. So these are the length, these are the frequency. Length and frequency. The length between which are greater than 20 and less than 40, they were found out that they were 6, and those which were less than 40 and greater than 60, greater or equals to 60, they were 8. And those which were between greater than 60 and less or equals to 80, they were 9. And those which were greater than 80 and less or equals to 100, they were 12. And those which were greater than 100 and less or equals to 120 were 5. All right. So these are the answers that the grade 12 learner came out with after measuring the leaves, the length of the leaves that they were working with in the biology class. That the length which are above, which are greater than 20 millimeters. So this length is in millimeters. 20 millimeters and less or equals to 40, they were found out that they were 6. And those which were greater than 40 and less or equals to 60, they were found out that they were 8. So from this information that we are given, we can now construct a histogram, of which with the histogram in your x-axis we will have the length, and in our y-axis we will have the frequency. Remember, when you are doing a histogram, your bars must have the same width, and also there should not be gaps between the bars that you are drawing. All right, I hope you saw the question. I just need a space, so I'll take this out and I will leave the frequency. So when I draw this histogram, I'll just do a rough sketch because I do not have the equipment to draw this in scale. So this one, it will be 0, it will be 20, it will be 40, this will be 60, this will be 80, this will be 100, and that will be 120. Then this side, it will be this will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12 there. Alright, so the first one, which, well, remember this one, the 6, it was between 20 and the 40, then it was 6. That means with the bar graph, this is between 20 and 40, and it's 6 there. So that will be 6. So this is our first bar, and the next one, it was between 40 and 60, and it was 8. That means we just, remember that the bar graph should not have gaps in between. That means I will just extend this line up to 8, and then from 60 have this line up there. So you can see that there are no gaps in between these two bars, and also your bars must be of the same width. It's just that this one is not drawn into scale, so the width, this one is a bit smaller, but they should be of the same width. It should not be, this one should not be thinner than that one, or that one thinner than this one. It should be of the same width. Then the next one, it was between 60 and 80, and it was 9, of which that's 9. So just extend and have 80 there. And this one, it was 12, which was between 80 and 100. So 12, it's up there. I'll just remove the heading there. 12 is up there, so that will be 12. Oh, sorry guys, I made a huge mistake. So that will be 12 between 180 and 80 as well. Between 80 and 100. Then the last one is between 101 and 120. Then that will be 5, which is here. So this is 5 right there. So this one is between, it's 6, this is 8, this is 9, this is 12, this is 5. Then remember, with the histogram, you must also name your axis. This one is your x-axis, of which it your x-axis represents the length in millimeter. You must label your axis, and then your y-axis represent the frequency. So this one is your y-axis. Alright, just a quick recap with histogram. With histogram, they represent a group data set, and also there should not be gaps in between the bars. And another thing, your width of the bars must be of the same size. Then when you are drawing a bar graph, remember to always name your axis, the x-axis and the y-axis, and also label them out. Then our x-axis here, it was the length in millimeters, and our y-axis, it was the frequency. Then drawing the bar graph, as I was showing you here, you draw the bar, the first bar and the second bar. There should not be space between the bars, and also the bars must be of the same width. It's just that this bar that I've drawn here, it's not up to scale, but if you draw it according to scale, you will see that the bars should be of the same width. That will be it from histogram lesson. I hope you guys enjoyed today's lesson, and you will subscribe to Maths XYZ so that you can get daily notification when we upload videos. Thank you.